So check it out. Still going through the locomotives that I got from that recent Ives pre-war collection, and I got the steeple cab to run. The armature again, the wires had pulled away from the poles, the solder joints were worn off. I'm not going to run this probably only one lap because the brushes are really worn until I find a source or figure out how to replace them. They're on like little fingers, and they're permanently attached to the brush plate, so how to replace the inserts, I'm going to have to learn how to do that. But anyway, I got a couple cars behind it and a lighted caboose, so I thought we'd take it for a spin. Here we go. Well, you see it runs pretty good. Well, we'll give it one more lap, why not? And then we'll shut it down. Because this is a two-part video, and I want to show you the other steeple cab that came with it. And so, just give me a minute, and I'll set that on the track, and you can check that out. It's one that I have custom built, and I'll explain that when we get to it. Okay, so here's the second steeple cab. It was painted the same red color as the first one, but it was missing most of the paint. It was in pretty bad shape, so I decided to strip it, and I painted it similar to a jade green because I knew I had some green American Flyer passenger cars to go with it. And I fixed the headlight and also painted it black. And the bell was missing. The yoke was there, but the bell was gone, so I used the bell from the first one to make use some of that Alumilite clay mold, and made a mold and cast some resin. Actually, I made 3 molds, so I'd have a choice of which one would be the best. And so I made a new bell, and I painted it silver. And also, to power this thing, because the armature was no good in the motor, it was missing one of the plates, and I think I can make a new plate, but for now I decided that I had this Marx 21 diesel motor. It's the precursor to the E7 plastic diesel, and it was missing someone had taken the mount off. I don't even know where I got it from, but I had it stuck in the spare parts. Never knew what I would do with it, but I was able to actually wedge it right in between the supports inside, and then I just on the back part I just drilled through where the support is and put a screw in there. But the front part, the E unit holds it right in place nicely. It's not going anywhere. I got nice and leveled out, and so I put the Ives coupler on the front, but I also put a tab and slot on the back so that I could hook it to the American Flyer passenger cars, which I'd like to get some more of them. I think it looks pretty cool with them. So we'll take it for a spin. It's got, of course, it's got the, I call it E unit. It's a reverser. It's not an E unit. But we're going to take it for a spin, and you can check it out. I also, one more thing, I don't want to forget, I put one of those strip lights into the cab, those strip LEDs. So, well, here we go. While I was circling around there, I'll show you how I lit the American Flyer cars. I put one of those steel feeler gauge type materials, what I make the pickup shoe out of, and I just take the temper out of it. So that's what lights them. You have to just have to make sure the little bolt that you put up through there is insulated on both sides so it doesn't touch the frame. And then you can wire your light. And of course, I also made some silhouettes for the lights, for the windows, so you can check those out too. So I think it looks great. I'm really happy with it. It runs good. Of course, Marx engines usually do. And I put new brushes in it, motor brushes in it too, so I won't be having to take it apart anytime soon. And I polished up all the handrails and the side plates, and then I clear coated everything so it would last. And I hand painted the cab windows and the cab doors black. That takes a little patience, but if you're patient, you can get them looking pretty good. And we'll pick up the camera and we'll follow it around. And now we'll put the camera back down carefully so we don't cause too much shaking and make it irritating to watch. All right, so I'm hoping to get some more of the American Flyer green cars. I don't know if they ever made a combination car with them, but I've never seen one, but I know they do with the red, so maybe they did, and I'll try to get one of those too. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.